Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the use of has and have. So let us see where to use has and where to use have. Has is used for one person, animal, place, and thing. Has is also used with singular pronouns. For example, he, she, and let us see some examples. Rohit has a nice house. In this sentence, Rohit is name of a person, so we use has to talk about his possession. He has a big car. He has many toys. He has a laptop. In the last three sentences, has is used with he, which talks about what Rohit has. Rita has two sisters. In this sentence, Rita is name of a person, so we use has to talk about her possession. She has a pretty dress. She has made beautiful drawings. She has many color pencils. In the last three sentences, has is used with she, which talks about what Rita has. A cat has four legs. In this sentence, has is used with a cat, that means one cat. It has two eyes, it has two ears, it has beautiful fur. In the last three sentences, has is used with it to talk about what a cat has. Mumbai has many huge buildings. In this sentence, has is used with the name of a place, Mumbai. It has so many people. It has big malls. It has many parks and gardens. In the last three sentences, has is used with it to talk about what Mumbai has. A tree has many branches. In this sentence, has is used with a thing that is a tree. It has green leaves. It has lots of mangoes. In the last two sentences, has is used with it to talk about what a tree has. Have. Have is used for more than one person, animal, place, and thing. Have is used with singular pronouns, for example, I and you. And have is also used with plural pronouns, for example, you, we, and they. Have is used with I when you want to tell someone about what you have. For example, I have two story books. I have two donuts. Have is also used with you. When you are talking to someone, you can use you have to talk about his possession. For example, you have a beautiful hat. You have beautiful painting. We have beautiful crayons. In this sentence, have is used with we, which refers to more than one person. Rose and Tina have a pretty garden. In this sentence, Rose and Tina are two persons, therefore we use have. They have nice shoes. In this sentence, have is used with they. That refers to more than one person. You have a beach ball. In this sentence, you refers to more than one person, hence we use have. Elephants have big ears. They have trunks. In these sentences, have is used with elephants. That means more than one elephants. Have is used to tell about what the elephants have. Next examples. Lions have beautiful fur. They have sharp teeth. In these sentences, have is used with the lions. That means more than one lions. Have is used to tell about what the lions have. Villages have many small cottages. In this sentence, have is used with the name of places that refers to more than one village. For example, they have open fields, they have few people, they have fresh fruits and vegetables. In these last three sentences, have is used with they to talk about what the villages have. Cities have big shopping malls. In this sentence, have is used with the name of places that refers to more than one cities. They have parks and gardens. They have many vehicles and big buildings. They have hotels and restaurants. In the last three sentences, have is used with they to talk about what the cities have. Have is used with the things that refers to more than one thing. For example, the cakes have beautiful designs. They have been decorated beautifully. Clocks have two hands. They have different shapes and sizes. They have 1 to 12 numbers. Here, have is used with they to talk about what the cakes and clocks have. Let us remember, we use has with she, he, it, Rohan, monkey, school and table. We use have with I, you, we, they, animals, places and things. Dear students, hope you have understood where to use has and where to use have. Thank you.